Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
Yeah, I'm at the second round of my interview. Okay. I don't know why my camera looks so blurry, but yeah. We shall see. My hair frizzed up immediately. This heat is no joke. But I'm wearing white shirt, black pants, clutch. That's it, that's all y'all. Studs and frizzy hair. But yeah, I'm waiting to do my second round of my interview, so let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so your girl got a job. I'm currently sitting in bed. I'm currently reading a contract over right now, so on my computer. Can't show too much because it has the job's name and all of those things in it and information, but I'm currently reading over the contract. So yeah, your girl got a job. I went to my second interview yesterday and I got offered my position. So I'm currently reading over the contract and I'm going to do my on-board meeting at 11. It is currently 10:33, so I'm doing my on-board meeting today. I'm just reading over the contract. And yeah, I'm about to take some notes of the contract so that I can have some questions to ask and make sure that everything is clear on my end as well as theirs. Your girl got a job, but let me prepare for this contract meeting. I just wanted to update you guys. I didn't update you guys. So yeah, your girl got the job and I will be starting soon. So I got my work clothes out ready to go. I've been preparing for this moment for well over a year. So I have work clothes and I didn't want to wait till last minute to look for work clothes because I don't want to be scrambling like I gotta find something to wear to work. I gotta have corporate outfits, I gotta have business casual outfits, business outfits. So that's done and I don't have to worry about that. I got all my clothes and stuff ready. So yeah, I have to do the contract meeting. I guess they're gonna set me up for fingerprints and then yeah, we're gonna go from there. So but let me finish reading over this contract. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So yeah, your girl got a job. I am not unemployed no more. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all a little later. Your girl is doing big things. I'm at my Zoom meeting for my contract. We about to see y'all. So I'm sitting on the couch. I got my laptop and I'm about to sign my offer letter. I'm nervous. I don't know. I think I'm gonna wait till my mommy gets home. Like, I'm used to being a stay-at-home daughter. This is all so new for me. So I think I'm gonna wait for my mommy to come home and we're gonna talk about it. It's not the best job ever, but it's like a starter job. You know, it's just a starter job just for the time being. But I don't think my mom is too happy about it. It's kind of like you went to college to do this. Like, this is not what you went to college for, but I cannot find a job. And I've been out of college for 4 years. And this is the option that I have. So I'm gonna make the best out of it, but I'm so scared to sign my offer letter. Like, I'm literally looking at my computer screen and it says not signed. It says not signed. I'm just so nervous, and today is the last day I have to sign it. I literally got the job on Thursday, did my on-board meeting on Friday, and they was like, yeah, you have until Monday, which is today, to sign it. Like, you have by the end of the day, Monday. So they gave your girl a small window. So yeah, and it's 4:00 p.m. I'm waiting till my mom get home and we gonna talk this over. I'm so nervy. I'm not really nervous, I'm just being a baby. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna document this journey with you guys. But you guys, I did order a badge reel. I had to go pick it up at Walmart, so I am excited. I have my clothes picked out, everything. I did get footage of me going through this process. However, it was filmed in slow motion, so I can't use the footage. So this is gonna be the official footage. But yeah, I'm sitting on my couch with my computer, with the computer daughter. How do you say computer in Spanish? I don't know, girl. But yeah, Hey guys, I'm in a car. I'm waiting at the pickup spot because you don't pick up inside, you park and pick it up. So yeah, so I got my badge reel. Your girl is about to start a job. I'm grown. Okay guys, so I'm about to go into this medical center to see if I can get my TB test for my job. This is the form that needs to be filled out. I was trying to call this place and nobody answers the phone, so this is not an entrance stop. Okay, I guess this is the entrance. Hi, I have a question. Do you guys do TB tests? TB test? Yes. Can I make an appointment for one?
Is he a patient?
Yeah, I'm a new patient.
You need a physical first.
Okay, so I have to do that here. Can I do that today?
No, we don't have available appointments that soon.
I could do 10 a.m.
10 a.m.
Yeah.
Pero tú quieres venir un sábado, los sábados aquí no estamos abiertos siempre. No.
There you go. Okay, thank you. I made an appointment, and I have to come back. So I couldn't get my TB test today. All right, now I'm going to my eye doctor because I need to get my glasses fixed. Here's the piece. I need to get my glasses fixed. Hi. Hi, I need to get my glasses fixed. I broke them, I'm sorry. I just need a screw. I'm waiting for my glasses to get fixed. I have an appointment to see a doctor to see if I can get my TB test. Who knows? I have to fill out my paperwork. I got my glasses fixed. Okay, I filled out my paperwork. This is the form I have to get signed. So, yeah. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me see your form.
Okay, I got my blood work. I got my blood work. Let's go. Okay, so I finished my appointment and I'm about to cancel my other appointment. Okay, so I did my TB test. I did the blood test version. It was quick and easy. I have to wait for the doctor. He's gonna sign off on the paperwork so I can take it to my job. So he has to, like, you know, sign today's date and say, like, you know, she got her blood work done. And he said that it should last for 2 years. So he said this is the best version of the test because you could do this skin test and you come back in 2 days. But I think that lasts, I don't know how long that lasts, but he was like, do the blood test because it's better. And I was like, baby, whatever work, bill my insurance, get it done. So yeah, that's it, that's all. So I'm just waiting for the doctor, but your girl got her blood work, blood pressure checked, everything is everything. So yeah, and I start work Monday. Today is Saturday and I start work Monday, so I should have my results back by like Tuesday. He said Tuesday, something like that. So perfect, let's go. I don't know how I feel about this job. I thought that when I would finally get a job I would be so happy. It feels regular to me. It's like, okay, you got a job, now what? I don't know, maybe when I get there my feeling will be better. I don't know, but yeah, I'm doing all my pre-employment things. So yeah, your girl got her TB test. Trying to find a doctor is like pulling teeth. Like when you try to get an appointment at the doctor, you would think that you're trying to get $1 million out of someone. It's so hard to get an appointment. And then a lot of times with TB tests, they wanted me to pay, and it's like, no, I have health insurance, bill my insurance. And some places take your insurance, some places don't. It's just a whole lot. So I found this on the fly this morning. Literally, I called them at 9:45 and it was like, you can come in at 10:30. I said, oh, bet. And now it is 10:54. 10:54. And your girl has got her blood work and did everything she needs to do. Gotta get it done. But yeah, that's my little update. My little side ponytail. I hope my lip gloss is not white, so when I edit this I hope I don't look crazy, but oh well. Yeah, oh, and I got my glasses fixed. So yeah, I did everything I needed to do today. because this is my last days with like free time, because your girl is gonna be at work for 8 hours a day every day from now on. So I gotta get everything done while I can get it done, because this is the last little bit of free time I have. So yeah, I'm done. I keep popping my lip like I'm so ghetto, like, but yeah, I'm waiting for the doctor. I'm in here, you see the doctors, but I'm waiting for him. They ain't got nothing in here. You know they say when black people go to the doctors, we be like in the drawers and stuff, but they don't got nothing in here. They ain't got no band-aids or nothing. Can never have too many band-aids, but yeah, bye y'all. Okay, I'm going inside of the bank because I need to get a voided check for my direct deposit. So let me go in here. Okay, that door is locked. Thank you, sir. Hello, hi. I'm a member here. I need a voided check for my employer. Okay.
Just gotta take a picture of you.
Okay, no problem.
I'm assuming you're setting up the direct deposit, right?
Yes.
Did you have to
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, yeah, okay.
And then here's the check.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Okay, I got my voided checks. I am off and running. Damn. As soon as the light turn green, people be just honking. Damn, wait. All right.